A solid toy is in the form of right circular cylinder with hemispherical shape at one end and cone at the other end. Okay. All right. Let us draw the diagram. We have a cylinder. Okay. Hemisphere is attached at one end and cone at other end. What else is given? The common diameter is 4.2 centimeters. All right. So the common diameter is 4.2 centimeters. So the radius will be half of this. It will be equal to 2.1 centimeter, right? And the height of the cylinder and conical portions are 12 and 7 respectively. Height of the cylinder, this, let us take it as h1. It is equal to how much? 12. And height of cone, let it be h2. It is equal to how much? 7 centimeters. Find the volume of the solid toy. We should find the volume of this toy. See, when we are finding the volume of the combinations of solids, we need to find the volume of this cone, volume of cylinder, and volume of hemisphere and add it, right? Okay, so volume of the solid is equal to volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. All right. So volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of cylinder pi r square h. But just be careful here. Heights are different, right? So volume of cone first. So we took it as h2. Volume of cone we took it as h2, right? So it is h2. Volume of cylinder we took it as h1. So h1 plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. All right. Okay, so what can we take common from here? Pi r square. So if we take pi r square common, here h2 by 3 will be left, and here h1 will be left, and here pi r square common means 1 r will be left and 2 by 3 will be left. All right, 2 by 3 into r. All right, so what is the value of r? Pi is 22 by 7. The common diameter is this much, so 2.1. So r is 2.1, 2.1, 2 times, because it is r square here. And h2 is equal to 7, right? h2 is equal to 7. So let us substitute 7 by 3 plus h1 12 plus 2 by 3 into r is 2.1. okay, now only normal simplification, right? So this 7 and 2.1 will go 3 times, so it is 22 into 0.3 into 2.1. 7 by 3 is equal to 2.33 plus 12 plus this 3 and 2.1 will go 7 times, 0.7 times, sorry, 0.7 into 2, 1.4. 22 into 0.3 into 2.1, and if we add all this, we'll have 15.73. okay, now if you multiply everything, we'll have 218.017 centimeter cube. Why centimeter cube? It is volume. Okay, you take any, like for example, volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? Here the dimensions are squared, right? Centimeter into centimeter square, and height will be in centimeter, so we'll have centimeter cube. Okay, and we have pi r square h also, same thing, centimeter square and centimeter again, so it will be centimeter cube. Pi r 2 by 3 pi r cube, so these two are constants, right? So r cube, that means centimeter cube. So if you add centimeter cube, centimeter cube, centimeter cube, the resultant will also be in centimeter cubes only. All right, so the answer, the volume of the solid is 218.017 centimeter cube.